Hi everyone. Thank you for visiting my channel Stocks Current Affairs, where I discuss potential stocks for long-term investments. In this video, I'll share insights about a stock that owns Daawat brand. LT Foods Limited is a leading consumer food FMCG company headquartered in Gurugram, India. The company provides high-quality, delicious meal experiences in over 60 countries, including India, the United States, Europe, the Middle East, the Far East, and the rest of the world. The company's flagship brand include Daawat, one of the India's most loved and consumed global basmati brands, Royal, North America's #1 basmati brand, and many more. The company is also expanding into the future food preferences of millennials by offering organic food and supplying organic food ingredients to leading global businesses. LT Foods has an integrated farm to fork approach, which means the food you pick up in store has come directly from the farm in which it was produced. Along with farm to fork approach, it has well established sourcing network and global supply chain hub backed by automated state of art and strategically located processing packaging units in India, the US, and Europe, as well as a robust distribution network with around 1300 plus distributors across the globe. Daawat and Royal are the flagship brands of LT Foods, enjoying a leadership position in the basmati rice segment in India and North America with a market share of 27% plus and 50% plus respectively. With evolving customer preferences, regional brands such as Devaya, Rosanna, Gold Seal Indus Valley, 817 Elephant, Golden Star, Leaf, and Ecolife has also built a strong consumer base over the years. One of the recently launched products, Kari Kari, in the convenience and the health segment is also gaining significant traction along with other products in this segment. Now let's understand its business segments. Basmati and specialty rice segments. Currently, this segment accounts for 79% of the overall revenue in FY 2022 to 23. This segment forms a key part of the company's business. This vertical has also recorded a growth rate of 9% during the period 2022 to 23, with a CAGR of 13% over the last 3 years. To expand its market presence across diverse economies, the company has acquired a 51% stake in Golden Star Trading Inc., which holds more than 10% share in jasmine rice category under the brand name Golden Star. Jasmine rice is a long grain variety of fragrant rice with origin from Thailand. LT Foods has successfully expanded its consumer base and captured a larger market share of the Indian market through strategic marketing initiatives and a focus on quality. Its flagship brand Daawat acquired a market share of 27% plus in the basmati market segment with a growth rate of 13%. LT Foods is growing its market reach in India while endeavoring to retain its leadership position in the US, EU, the Far East, Israel, Reunion Island, and other regions. For this business segment, the company has 1200 distributors in India and 100 plus distributors in international markets and has more than 1.76 lakh retail outlets across India. Organic food and ingredients segment. LT Foods focuses on meeting consumer demand for organic food and healthier food ingredients by providing a diverse range of organic rice, cereal grains, soya-based meals, flour, pulses, oil and oilseeds, nuts, spices, herbs, millets, and other products. The organic food segment is carefully curated to meet the stringent standards set by recognized certification bodies such as the Government of India's National Program for Organic Protection (NPOP), as well as international organic standards such as those of the European Union, the United States National Organic Program (NOP), Canada, Japan, and Korea. The company works with certified organic farmers who cultivate their crops using organic farming methods while avoiding the use of synthetic chemicals and genetically modified organisms. GMOs. During 2022 to 23, the company established a stock and sell model in the United States and Europe, which boosted the growth of its organic segment. In order to broaden its procurement and production base, the company has expanded its facility in Africa as well. Convenience and health segment. With changing lifestyle, increased globalization, improved technology, hectic schedules, and increased awareness, it is critical to evolve to meet unmet consumer needs. LT Foods identified two key trends that influence consumer when purchasing kitchen ingredients: convenience and health. Daawat Quick Cooking Brown Rice, inspired by consumer insights, is LT Foods' first successful product in this segment, and the company has maintained a leadership position since its launch. This organic brown rice has a reduced cooking time of just 15 minutes, a convenient alternative to the 40 minutes normally required, all while maintaining the same great texture, nutrition, and taste. Following the success of Daawat Quick Cooking Brown Rice, the company launched Daawat Sehat, the iron and vitamin fortified rice on the health platform, which is also well accepted by consumers. The company launched new products during the year, which are listed below: Daawat Black Rice, Daawat Jasmine Rice, Devaya Weight Watcher, Economy Brown Rice segment, Devaya Sona Masuri, Royal Instant Kappa Rice, Royal Jalapeno Basmati, Royal South Indian Rice. Daawat Sehat. The purpose of launching the brand Daawat Sehat was to combat malnutrition with fortified rice. Daawat Sehat is ideally for daily consumption because it is fortified with iron, folic acid, and vitamins B1, B3, B6, and B12. The firm has a plus F logo, which can also be found on the FSSI website, which means these food items have nutrients like vitamin and iron added in small and regulated doses. Throughout the year, the company ran extensive marketing campaign using media such as TV commercials, outdoor advertisements, and digital campaigns to promote the brand and demonstrate the importance of fortified rice. Daawat Kappa Rice. These are dehydrated, ready-to-eat meals that can be cooked in 10 minutes by simply adding hot water. As it is quick and easy to prepare, contains only natural ingredients, and is devoid of preservatives and artificial color, it is healthy and convenient, a fine option for on-the-go consumption. Consumers have already taken a strong liking to the 5 different varieties of Daawat Kappa rice. Khari Khari. The Khari Khari snack that Daawat Kameda is one of a kind premium Japanese rice brand snack with flavors curated for the Indian palate. The snack swiftly gained popularity and is now available throughout Delhi, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana, West Bengal, Assam, Manipur, and Sikkim. In the coming years, the company intends to promote this brand in other states as well. Daawat Biryani Kits. The company has sold 5.6 lakh plus units during FY 22 to 23. Biryani kits are a point of company's efforts to constantly diversify its product portfolio. It also has export potential, especially in the Middle East, Far East, Australia, the United Kingdom, and the United States. Royal RTH. Royal Ready to Eat accomplished a remarkable feat by ascending to the position of the 4th largest brand in the US market. This achievement was underscored by the brand's robust sales growth, which surged by an impressive 37%. Business performance by geography. India. During the year FY 22 to 23, the company acquired a market share of 29% in Basmati rice market with a growth rate of 13%. To further raise brand recognition and recall, the company seeks to increase coverage from 1258 to 1500 towns and productive coverage from 1.75 to 2.5 lakh outlets in the coming year. 31% of total revenue was contributed by LT Food India business. American region. Through the Golden Star Trading Company joint venture, the company has gained a strong foothold in the jasmine rice market, which is more than 3 times the size of the basmati rice market in the US, with products including Royal Organic Basmati and Royal Sona Masuri being added in the distribution point of Costco and Sam's Club respectively. LT Foods has also achieved noteworthy progress in the club channel. Well, 39% of the total revenue was contributed by American region. European region. LT Foods has a strong foothold in the EU market, commanding 30% volume share of the total basmati rice consumption, while its overall share of rice consumption in Europe currently at 3%. 19% of the total revenue was contributed by European region. Now Middle East region. In the Middle East, LT Foods operates through its subsidiary LT Foods DMCC. LT Foods is investing in targeted retail channels, distribution networks, and brand awareness to maintain and further expand its presence in the region. 5% of the total revenue was contributed by Middle East region. The rest of the world. In 2022 to 2023, the rest of the world, comprising the Far East, Israel, Mauritius, Fiji, Australia, Singapore, Maldives, Hong Kong, and New Zealand, have grown by 34%, and 6% of the total revenue was contributed by rest of the world. Now let's understand its stock price and key financials. The company is in small cap segment with a market capitalization of rupees 5,777 crores. Both ROC and ROE are in double digits with 17.1% and 16.8% respectively. The sales, operating profit, net profit are all increasing at a CAGR of 21%, 12% and 21% respectively during the period March 2021 to March 2023. Operating profit margin is in double digits, though gradually reducing year on year. EPS is strong and growing year on year. Reserves are growing YOY, which is a good sign. Borrowings overall has reduced year on year. Specifically, short-term borrowings have reduced by 22% year on year, whereas long-term borrowings are kind of fluctuating. Promoters have reduced their stake from December 2022 to June 2023 from 56.82% to 51%. However, an important point to note is that the stakes sold by promoters were bought by FIs and DIs, which is a very good sign. As of June 2023, FIs held 6.48% stake, whereas DIs held 3.29%. Public stake reduced from March 2023 to June 2023 from 40.94% to 39.22%. Hi viewers, I put a lot of effort to prepare these videos. Please subscribe to my channel, that will motivate me to prepare more such content. Do put your comments and let me know what you liked about this video. Now let's understand its key growth prospects. Growing rice and specialty rice segment. Rice, wheat and maize are the three most important crops cultivated worldwide. Rice, on the other hand, is a staple food for about half of the global population. In 2022, the global rice market was worth $294.39 billion. It is further expected to grow at a CAGR of 2.7% between 2023 to 2028. A higher number of restaurants and food chains around the world has led to a spike in consumer demand for premium quality rice along with other healthy and nutritious varieties. In 2021, the share of offline purchases in the global rice market amounted to 82% of the total sales. The surge in demand for specialty rice variety has given rise to an increased preference for long grain rice, thereby commanding a substantial revenue share of more than 63% within the global market in year 2021. In parallel, the medium grain rice segment is projected to exhibit a growth of 2.4% during the period 2022 to 2028. The North American region is emerging as the fastest expanding geographical market for the rice, driven by a heightened demand for fragrant and specialty rice varieties. Anticipated expansion at a CAGR of 3.9% during the period 2022 to 2028. Notably, the European basmati rice, which experienced setback during the pandemic, has demonstrated swift recovery. Forecasts indicate a projected value of $866.5 million by the year 2031, reflecting a CAGR of 4.3% during the period 2022 to 2031. The basmati rice market in India reached 485.1 billion during the period FY 2022 to 2023 and is expected to reach 487.2 billion during the period 2027 to 28 with a CAGR of 1.1% from 2022 to 2028. The domestic demand for Indian basmati rice is influenced by several factors such as population, income levels, regional preferences, and culinary traditions. With increasing consumer awareness and demand for packaged rice, especially basmati in India. Growing organic food segment. Based on a UN report, over 2 lakh people die each year due to the harmful effects of chemical present in food products. As a result, consumers globally prefer organic foods that are devoid of toxic additives, chemicals, and preservatives. This is one of the factors driving the explosive expansion of organic food market. The global organic food market is expected to grow by $310 billion during calendar year 2022 to 2027 at a CAGR of 15.85% despite a surge in commodity prices, supply chain disruptions, and soaring inflation. The organic food market in India is a niche market. However, with increasing incidence of food adulteration, the scope for increasing its market share continues to grow. The government of India is also promoting the sector's growth by offering subsidies for organic farming and has rolled out favorable schemes such as Mission for Integrated Horticulture Development, the National Food Security Mission, and Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana to add impetus to organic farming. Growing convenience and health segment. Ready to eat food, packaged beverages, prepared mixes, and canned food are all part of the convenience and health segment. A hectic urban lifestyle and the rise of nuclear families and preferences for fast, ready to eat food are all driving the expansion of this market segment. The global ready to eat food market is expected to be worth $250 million by 2029 with a CAGR of 5.5%. Ready to eat food products have a fair prospects in the emerging and established markets of North America, Europe, Asia Pacific, South America, and Middle East, including Africa. Due to the growing demand for conveniently available foods and healthy items from health-conscious young adults, the segment is expected to witness steady growth in the days ahead. Moreover, preferences for immunity-boosting food, low-calorie content, and gluten-free items are also expected to increase the market share of this sector. Conclusion: LT Foods is a very risky stock as it is in small cap segment. As already shared, this video is not an investment advice. The stock's future prospects are great on the backdrop of rising rice consumption abroad and accelerated lifestyle changes demanding ready-to-eat food. Additionally, Venture Securities has given a buy rating to this stock with a target of Rs 244 in 24 months. Please do your own research before investing. If you like this video, share it with your friends and family. Do subscribe to my channel for more such updates, and I'll meet you in my next video. Thank you.